Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if you're having an issue with the Safari web browser on your macOS device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So the first thing I recommend doing would be to select the Apple icon up in the menu bar and then select System Settings. Select General on the left panel and then select Software Update on the right, and then go ahead and check for updates. If there are any updates available, I recommend installing them here. And then once that's done, close out of here, and I would suggest restarting your computer. And then hopefully the issue should be resolved. You can then also open up Safari here, and there's going to be something else we're going to look into as well. And now you want to select the Safari button up in the menu bar, and you want to select where it says Safari Extensions. And if there's any extensions installed, I'd recommend disabling or removing them here. And then you can also select where it says privacy up at the top, and then I'd select manage website data, and I'd remove all information here. So select remove all, select remove now, and then select done, and then I would relaunch the browser, and then hopefully your issues should be resolved. So as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.